A Straight Talk transfer PIN is a unique security code that serves as your digital authorization when switching your phone number from Straight Talk to another wireless carrier. Think of it as your authorization code that proves you own the phone number and approve the transfer to a new carrier. As of 2025, Straight Talk uses an automated system for generating these PINs, making the entire process much smoother and more efficient than before. These PINs remain valid for a specific time period, typically between 7 to 30 days, depending on your account type and carrier policies. To ensure maximum security, Straight Talk has strengthened its multi-factor authentication requirements, protecting against unauthorized number transfers. Getting your PIN is now primarily done through digital channels, either online through your account portal or via the Straight Talk mobile app, making it convenient and accessible 24/7. There are 4 main ways to find your Straight Talk transfer PIN. Each method is designed to give you quick and secure access to this important information. You can access your transfer PIN through the Straight Talk website, their mobile app, by calling customer service, or by sending a simple text message. The easiest method is through the Straight Talk website. Simply log into your account and navigate through the menu system to find your transfer PIN instantly. The mobile app provides the same functionality as the website. Navigate to Account Settings, then Port Information to access your transfer PIN and other porting details. You can also call Straight Talk customer service. Have your account information ready, as you'll need to verify your identity before they can provide your transfer PIN. The quickest method is sending a text message. Simply text the word PIN to 6111611 from your Straight Talk phone, and you'll receive an automated response with your transfer information. Remember, the transfer PIN is just one piece of information needed for porting. Make sure you have all required details ready, including your account number, exact account holder name, service address, phone number, and account password. Having all this information ready will ensure a smooth and quick porting process when you contact your new wireless carrier.